Hey everyone, so today we have an Devi Jagannath and he is a TSE role in a Microsoft. So today he would be sharing us a few of any resources of an Microsoft which are must and a premium and everyone should be utilizing it and one of a golden opportunity to just get a offer in a Microsoft also. So there have been a lot of things. So watch the video till end.
Hello everyone. So today let's dive into free resources available to get premium resources,
Yeah,
right? So let me share my screen before.
yeah,
Okay. So the first resource would be GitHub Student Developer Pack.
hmm,
So it's kind of bundle. By using this, you can get premium resources for free.
hmm,
So the all thing you have to do is just verify your student email. If you don't have student email, just upload your ID card pictures in the website
hmm,
and wait for 1 or 2 days. You'll get verified as a student. So once your verification is done, you can access this page,
hmm,
and here you can get a lot of free stuff. Like you can
yeah,
get free domain from Namecheap.
hmm,
You'll get 100 credits in Azure to create resources and play with the stuff, or
hmm,
you'll get Canva Pro for free, and you'll get a classy domain from name.com and .tech
hmm,
domain from .tech domains, and you'll get also GitHub Pro for free. Like
yeah,
people pay for it, right? So
yeah,
if you verify yourself as a student, you'll get for free. And there are a lot of stuff here, and also like you get benefits from 50 credits, benefits from MongoDB. MongoDB is not free. I
hmm,
guess you know that.
yeah,
So yeah, another interesting stuff is like Typeform, and it's kind of advanced version of Google Form. You can uh, imbibe or integrate your payment gateway to here,
hmm,
gateway to Typeform. So you'll get professional version of that for free for 1 year,
hmm,
right? It costs
yeah.
more than $400 if you pay, and these all are for free. You should like you will not ask for any credit card or debit card,
Hmm.
and yeah, this is student developer pack. And the second one is Microsoft Virtual Training Desk. This is
Hmm.
super helpful tool or website, I would say. Like if you want to do any certifications in Microsoft, like Microsoft 365 certifications or Azure certifications, whatever you want.
Hmm.
So you can see the domain names here. So
Yeah.
select the domain name,
Hmm.
just register for any event here. Like if you attend that event, you'll get a voucher in
Hmm.
your Microsoft account. Using that, you can claim your free certification. Like I have done, like if you check my LinkedIn profile, I have done 2 or 3 certifications in Microsoft. Those are for free. Like if you want to pay, like you can also pay for like 4,000 or 5,000 in the docs.microsoft.com.
Hmm.
It's hub for Microsoft certificates. And if you register here, you'll get everything for free.
Free.
Right. So this is
Yeah.
the second one. So let me introduce a hackathon that will get you to Microsoft.
Hmm.
So it's kind of business hackathon from Microsoft. In this, like you have to present your idea and prototype. I guess you know what is prototype. It's kind
Yeah.
of working model of your project. So if your project stands out, you'll get a direct interview call from Microsoft. If you crack that interview,
Hmm.
welcome to Microsoft.
Yeah. So
And
means that this is a direct an opportunity for you all.
direct opportunity, yeah, without any screening test.
Hmm.
So if you want to learn more, so there is a dedicated website in Geeks for Geeks. This is wonderful. It covers pretty much everything. Just read it, or just search in Google. You'll get a lot of videos about Fixathon. You can know about it.
Yeah.
So yeah, comment below how you like this video and the resources. Like if you have any doubts, feel free to comment here or reach me in LinkedIn.
Yeah.
I'll be more than happy to help you.
Yeah. And LinkedIn, the link would be also there in a video description, so you can go and check it out. And all those kind of links are also been attached in a video description. So just click on it, and you can access all the resources. And thanks, Jagan, for coming here and just sharing your free resources. These are much and helpful, and each and every student must be grateful to it. So thanks and for giving your valuable time and coming here. So that's pretty much for this video, and see you in the next video.
Bye.
Take into your hands a plan, your own no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be sour, take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're